Now let's open today's video with a hook. What if the greatest empire in history wasn't above us, but beneath our very feet? Yes, we're going to talk about a hidden civilization in today's video. What if there was an empire so vast, powerful, and technologically advanced that it dwarfed every other civilization throughout history, and not just on the surface of the Earth, but inside it? Does such a thing sound crazy to you? Well, it doesn't to some scientists who believe our planet may be hollow, like the inside of a giant crystal ball. Let's dive into this shocking theory. There have been many theories proposed over the years regarding the hollow Earth theory, but they all basically boil down to one idea. The center of the Earth is a giant dome, which acts as a barrier between the outer shell of the Earth and the inner core. Between the inner core and the outer shell are two layers of land, each separated by a river. One layer of land has the North Pole in its center, while the other layer has the South Pole at its center. Many people believe that a race of highly advanced humanoids, known as Agarthians, lives beyond the North Pole, deep within the center of the Earth. Some even believe that a mythical city called Agartha lies somewhere in the center of the Earth, where a utopian society of highly advanced people live. Others believe that Shambhala, a legendary kingdom of enlightenment and spiritual perfection, is located in the hollow core of our planet. But where did these ideas come from? Legends of a subterranean kingdom have existed since the dawn of civilization. The ancient Greeks spoke of a subterranean kingdom ruled by the Titan Atlas, who was condemned to hold up the sky for eternity. In Hindu mythology, there is a legend of a subterranean world called Patau, which is home to 7 great cities. According to Mayan mythology, there was a great city called Tihalan, which was located in the underworld. The Tibetans believed that Mount Kailash was a portal to the hidden kingdom of Shambhala. Some say that the entrance to this mystical land is actually a hole in the North Pole. The idea that the Earth is hollow isn't a new one. In fact, it's been around for thousands of years, but it really started to gain traction in the 17th century when a series of explorers came forward, claiming to have discovered evidence of a secret entrance to this subterranean world. But perhaps the most famous explorer to claim to have entered the hollow Earth was Admiral Richard Byrd. In 1947, Byrd led an expedition to the North Pole and claimed to have found a massive opening in the ice that led to a world below the Arctic Circle. He said that he entered this world and found a vast, lush landscape filled with trees, plants, and animals. He also claimed to have seen strange, beautiful women who seemed to be the guardians of this subterranean realm. Of course, these claims were met with skepticism, but Byrd was a respected explorer and admiral, so his story gained a lot of attention. Byrd wasn't the only one who claimed to have found a way into the hollow Earth. These expeditions were led by some of the most brilliant minds in Germany, including Werner von Braun and Karl Denis. They claimed to have found evidence of a lost civilization that lived inside the Earth. A civilization that may have had access to advanced technologies that were unknown to the outside world. These claims were never proven, and they were largely forgotten until recently. However, there are some interesting reports that suggest these expeditions may have been real. For example, in 2012, a group of explorers found a mysterious metal sphere in the Arctic Circle that appeared to be meant. Whether or not that's true, it's clear that there is something mysterious going on in the Arctic Circle. But what about modern science? What does it have to say about the hollow Earth theory? Well, it turns out that there is a lot of evidence to suggest that the Earth may not be solid after all. For example, there are many caves that have been found beneath the Earth's surface, some of which are incredibly large. There's even one cave system in Mexico that's so big it has its own underground ocean. Additionally, there are a number of underground rivers and lakes that have been discovered beneath the Earth's crust. All of this evidence suggests that there may be a lot more to the Earth than meets the eye. But what could possibly be hiding beneath the Earth? Well, some believe that there could be advanced beings living there, perhaps even a hidden civilization or an alien presence. If this were true, it would obviously be a very exciting discovery. However, it is important to remember that these are just theories, and there is no hard evidence to prove that any of it is true. So now we come to the main question of the day. Is there a hidden empire inside the Earth? Well, the answer may surprise you. It turns out that there may actually be something to this theory after all. According to some sources, there is a massive cavern system beneath the Earth's crust. That is home to a variety of minerals and metals that have been used by humans for centuries. In fact, some of the most valuable metals on Earth can be found in this subterranean realm. This discovery has led to a lot of speculation about what else could be hiding beneath the earth. After all, if there is a massive cavern system filled with valuable minerals and metals, what else could be down there? Some believe that there could be lost civilizations or even ancient ruins that have been covered by the earth for centuries. Others believe that there could be a variety of strange and mysterious creatures living in the darkness beneath our feet. Of course, these are all just theories, and there is no hard evidence to prove that any of them are true. However, there is one thing that we do know. The earth is full of mysteries, and there is still so much that we do know about our planet. Who knows what we might find if we continue to explore and investigate. We have already discovered so many amazing things about the earth, from the deepest trenches in the ocean to the highest mountain peaks. We have explored vast cave systems and uncovered ancient artifacts that have helped us to learn more about our planet's history. But there is still so much more to discover. Perhaps one day soon we will find evidence of a hidden empire beneath our feet. Perhaps there is a lost civilization or an alien presence that has been living in the darkness beneath our feet for centuries. Or maybe the truth is even stranger than we can imagine. So here's our final question for you. Do you believe in a hidden empire inside the earth? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos of fact and fiction. Now, thanks for watching. Are these just legends, or is Earth hiding its greatest secret beneath our feet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, because we always have new videos coming out. See you next time.